All right, good morning to you. This is the Tuesday, May 16th edition of the Carolina Weather Video, nearing sunrise again from the Avalon Pier web camera in the North Carolina Outer Banks. On the left, Beach Mountain Parkway cam from our friends at resortcams.com on the right. There's a look at our Greensboro Tower camera as we get closer to sunrise this morning. Looking good. We'll take a peek in Charlotte. Dowd YMCA camera also looking very, very nice. Charlotte temperature during the 5 o'clock hour, pretty balmy, 71 degrees early this morning. Yesterday was a really warm day around the region. 92 the high in Columbia, 91 in Fayetteville. We had a Charlotte high temperature yesterday up to 88 relative to average. And high temperature on average 79 degrees. In Greensboro, the high temperature officially 86, good bit above the average of 77 degrees, specifically around the Triad viewing area, well into the 80s. Charlotte viewing area, the same. Mountains a little bit cooler there in the 70s. 73 the high in Boone and Jefferson yesterday afternoon. All right, well, pretty quiet this morning, but we do have an issue here this morning with air quality. And that is causing a little bit of an air stagnation issue. And so we do have, in parts of the region, we have an air quality warning in effect. So for basically the Charlotte Metro, all of the Charlotte Metro, it's an air quality warning in effect for today, including Cabarrus, Gaston, Iredell, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Rowan, and Union counties. So be aware of that. Air quality, a little bit of a problem, especially for sensitive groups. Otherwise, across the region, it is very, very quiet this morning. Now we take a peek at what's happening across the lower 48. And back in the middle part of the country, that is where our next storm system is beginning to take shape. Now, you look at the severe weather possibilities today. Actually, you do have a pretty good Category 3 risk for severe weather back into parts of the middle sections of the country. Let me flip on Futurecast for you today, and you'll see those thunderstorms really blossoming as we get into this evening and tonight. And that's where severe weather threat will be pretty significant for today. Now, across our part of the country, it is very, very quiet and increasingly warm. You notice that southerly flow really getting established here across the region, and that's going to continue here as we move forward in time. Highs today, quite warm. Triad specifics, well into the 80s for highs across the viewing area this afternoon. Even hotter down in the Charlotte metro. Mountain areas, upper 70s, and then you get down into the Charlotte metro itself, 90 in Gastonia and Clover. Some 90-degree readings over toward Wadesboro as well today. And even hotter tomorrow. Tomorrow, probably the hottest day of the week. For most of us out there, that southwesterly flow very well established, and there are our regional highs. It is going to be a steamy Wednesday all around the region. So let's take a peek at Skycast here. Charlotte, a lot of sunshine today. Same story for the Triad. As we go on into tonight, mainly a clear sky overhead. Just a few high clouds. That's going to be about it. And then plenty of Wednesday sunshine on the way as well, with that really steamy weather day unfolding. A little bit muggier on Thursday. Still, though, I think most of the region dry. Now, I do mention that as we get into a Thursday afternoon, some mountain areas could begin to have the opportunity for a few showers or thunderstorms, but overall, pretty quiet stuff. And eventually, as we get toward late in the week, that's when we have the opportunity for a better shower and storm chance. Let me kind of take you through that. We'll look at the more detailed modeling. This is the 500 millibar chart from the European today. Notice this next piece of energy kind of heads to the Great Lakes by Thursday morning. Eventually, by late Sunday or Monday, that's when finally that next storm system buckles our way. So on the GFS model, not much happening today. Tomorrow, warm and dry. And then you notice by Thursday afternoon, could be a few thunderstorms popping up in the high country. And then as we get into Friday, could see a couple of pop-up thunderstorms east of the mountains into the Piedmont areas. Same deal for Saturday. A couple of pop-up afternoon storms. But I think a little better chance Sunday late in the day for some areas of showers and storms. And then especially Monday. That's when that next system moves through. Pretty good round of showers, thunderstorms possibility at that point in time. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a great day, and God bless.